Hey everyone, my name is Akhil and welcome back to a quick Blender tutorial. Okay, so now I'm at the Blender and this is my 3D screen. Okay, so camera, light and the object. So let me do some simple stuff over here, like if we want to add a different kind of objects, how we do that. Okay, so first of all, let me do one thing. I'll just remove all this. I'll select everything and then hit the delete. Okay, so now here if you see that I don't have any object here. Okay, now very first thing, if I want to add it, then I need to press shift A. So here if you in the screen you see that what I am exactly entering. Okay, if you do shift A, then here you would have done a lot of options what exactly you want to create. So for example, if I just want to create a plane surface, okay, so this is a plane surface, and in the last lecture I did talk about the XYZ direction. So if you want to move this object, okay, I can do that. And here if in the left side you would have a couple of options. One option is scale. So scale is very useful if you want to scale y direction, x direction or the z direction. Okay, so if you see, this is the how the scaling is working for a plane. Okay, simple object. Now there are a lot of things you can do here. So this is simple scaling. Okay, and here if you see that you can rotate this object as well. So if I want to rotate for the x, I can rotate like this. Okay, so if you see, this is the rotating against the x direction. Similar to I want to rotate for the y, I can do that. And if I want to rotate through z direction, then I can use this. Okay, so like that there are certain controls over here. So this is just about the plane. I can delete this, and then if I want to add more, so simply plane, there is cube, there is circle. So a lot of things I can do. I will just simply do this, or maybe scale. And here if you type S, then with the mouse you can actually simply make this object bigger. Okay, so very simple as that. And then if I want to add another object, let's say UV sphere. Okay, now if I want to move it, then I would actually need to select scale, then I can actually move it and then press S and then I can make it bigger. Okay, so like that I can add a lot of objects. So these are all the objects which I have. So cube, circle, UV sphere, icosphere, cylinder, cone. So like that there are certain shapes are there which are really useful when you are working on a 3D project, you are making a 3D animation. Alright, so that's a quick tutorial about the shapes what available in the Blender, and just a high level. It's not a fully covered, but yeah, just a quick info about how the shapes are there and how we can do some quick things over that. Alright, so that's all for this lecture. We'll see you in the next. Thank you.